Up, Yoyo Squad! Welcome back to another Bone Beach Warships video. New season is here, and I'm currently on my BB2 account. This is my fully defensed account, and I'm about to collect some chests, so let's jump straight into some live attacks. This is the combo that I'm currently running. It's 4 heavies with 4 rocket choppers, so let's see what we can do here. Let's go. 1. I'm gonna drop critters over here. 1. And all the rest of these guys. Okay, now let's see. He doesn't have too many single targets way in the back, so maybe that's gonna be a good thing. Maybe it's not. We will see. Either way, those 3 engine rooms are getting really dirty, so I'm expecting to see the rocket launchers pretty soon. Who killed my rocket chopper? With all the heavies in front, they're aiming my rocket choppers. Really? Why? Okay, let's try to distract some of those boom cannons. We don't have too many bombardiers left. Not bombardiers. Too many heavies left. Let's drop some critters in the back. Really? I was still slow. How's that even possible? Let's drop some more of these. Hopefully those guys are gonna be able to power through all this. At least I hope so. We will see. Let's flare them up so they can actually kill the boom cannon. And then it's pretty much a free snipe from here. It's gonna be a little bit slower time, but it is what it is, I guess. We have to wait. It usually gets pretty slow on bases like this, so I'm not too worried about anything. I just want to claim my chests, and then I will decide either if I'm gonna jump to 4 engine rooms right away, or I'm gonna save up for enough keys to grab myself the heavy choppers, because I do have maxed out heavies on this one. So we will see. Either way, we will see how all that goes. I also have maxed out warriors in case I do face some 4 engine rooms that are pretty naked. They're pretty easy with the warriors, so we will see how all this goes. Okay, let's drop this. We need to get rid of that because we need our heavies to go up, straight up. Okay, let's drop these guys. Let's flare them over here. We don't want those rocket choppers to get too much in front. Okay, or to spread too much, because we really need those. Okay, I'm gonna clear those mines over here because I'm gonna try and distract all those boom cannons way in the back, but we need to clear a little bit more. Okay, now let's drop some critters. Let's get a couple of those boom cannons out of the equation. Okay, we did lose 1 and we just lost second one. That's not cool. Okay. It's not looking that good. Let's see. We need to get rid of that. Okay. We're gonna lose another chopper. And most likely another one. Yep, we lost both. Okay, let's hit that retreat and see Peacemaker. Let's see what he's gonna do. Is he gonna get through? No, he's not. He already fizzled, so that's gonna be another victory for us. And also my VB3 account, the one that jumped all the way to 4 engine rooms, is currently at rank 17. I really tried to push to rank 18, but seems like I won't be able to do it without the, how it's called, without the sky shield, so we will see how all this is gonna go. Yeah, of course they're not gonna go up. Why they wouldn't? Well, I guess let's try to do our best with these that we have here. It's gonna be slower time because they didn't go where they needed to go. I guess I should have dropped one more. Let's flare up here. Let's put some distraction. Okay. I do need distraction over there, but those warriors are actually getting killed way too fast. Let's put some more distraction over here. Maybe a couple of those warriors is gonna make it there. Let's clear those mons because I'm gonna be flaring there. Okay, one. And let's flare lost engine room. Let's see how is this gonna go. It's actually pretty slow. Usually I get times around 3 minutes, but this time it's way too slow. 2:31. Yeah, that's way too slow, but we will see. He's only rank 15, so let's see where he... Nope, we got him by 1 second. Okay, we got lucky on that one. Let's claim this chest. Let's see what we can do. What should I upgrade next? Maybe upgrade my defenses a little bit more. I'm gonna max out these guys first. Next, I'm gonna max out these. Okay, that should do it for now. I won't unlock any of this. I'm gonna save up the rest of this. And also my main account is stuck at rank 15, but we will see how all that's gonna go. So 1 2 1 2 3 4. Let's clear those mons. Okay, let's clear those mons. Get some distraction going. Okay, 1 2. Drop some more of these. They're actually not going where I want them to go, but it is what it is. We sure will try our best to kill all of this. Not too many warriors left on the right hand side. Well, actually I only have one warrior left there. So we need to clear those mons over here if we want our warriors to survive, but seems like we are not gonna be able to clear this guy. Our last warrior died over there. Only one warrior left over here. Maybe we can get lucky and grab one more, but it's gonna take way too long. So let's see if he drops my last engine room, we're gonna pull the retreat. If he doesn't, I'm gonna leave this guy to his job. Yeah, he did it. Let's kill the last warrior and hit the retreat. Okay, I don't want to waste anyone's time, so let's just go for it. I guess I should unlock the troop health, but I don't have any upgrade tokens, so I won't be able to do anything actually there. So Let's just try to do as many love battles as we can. Tomorrow I will bring you guys the HCRC attacks. My log is not looking pretty good there. I was at rank 17 with like 60 something stars, I think, with that account, and then all of a sudden I started losing like crazy. I think I dropped all the way to like low 17 or something like that. Okay, let's switch back to this and let's go. 1, 1, 2, 3, all the rest of these guys. Now I'm gonna use those critters to clear some of those boom mines and mines actually. Let's flare all the way up here. We don't want our let's flare back again. Let's drop some of this again for distraction maybe. Yeah, we're gonna lose probably a couple of them, to be honest. Yeah, we're gonna lose 2 of them. Well, I guess we have to try and do our best with what we have left. But that ain't gonna be easy, that's for sure. Let's try to distract some of those boom cannons and cannons from there. Let's drop one more. Let's pull those guys out. Let's try to grab at least one of these engine rooms if we are gonna be able. Yes, we are. But we won't be able to do anything else. Let's flare up. Well, is he gonna survive? No, he's not. Okay, let's pull the retreat. Let's see, what is this guy doing? This seems familiar. Not quite sure who it is, but it sure looks familiar. So, it's gonna come down to damage, but I think they did way more damage than I did. So, let's see. Yep, they did 8% more. Well, let's go again. It's pretty much all about fizzles right here at 3 engine rooms with the combat I'm currently running. It's really hard to full clear all this, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get these guys going. Okay, gonna wait a little bit, just a little bit. I'm gonna flare up. That cannon should be distracted long enough until my heavies are actually getting up in front. Okay, cool. We didn't lose any of my... We need to get rid of those mons. And I think I missed pretty much every single one of them. Let's try to distract some more of these cannons. Because I have to. Let's drop some more critters. Heavies are actually dying way too fast. There's no way I'm gonna be able to grab even one engine room right now. All of my rocket choppers are already dead. It was looking promising, but yeah, he's gonna fizzle also, but he grabbed one of the engine rooms. Okay, let's do one more. Let's try to leave with the win. I don't want to end with a loss. But it's pretty crazy out there, and I'm not quite sure why this guy is not retreating. Come on already. Come on, I'm trying to make a video. Not the best video, but it is something. It is possible to push with 3 engine rooms pretty far, to be honest. But I think you do need troop help if you wanna push more into gold or grab some more ranks. Okay, finally finished. Let's go. Q-times are actually horrible. Not quite sure why, but they are. Come on. Come on. It's only rank 16. Okay, here we are. It's a 4 engine rooms. Okay, let's get these guys out. Let's go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get rid of these mons. Pretty much all I have to do is get rid of the boom mines and stuff like that so my warriors don't get killed. And it's a good distraction. So we will see. We will see how all this is gonna go. Okay. Let's try to do some of this. Yeah, they're gonna go for all that. All the way across. That's something I don't like. Especially since there are 2 of the machine guns over there. That's gonna tear apart my warriors. Okay, and let's actually just flare. Let's just flare again our flares. Well, that's gonna wrap up the video.